Welcome to my new home. So I have not moved in just yet. I'm about to move in, so everything is still a little bit all over the place, but this is my bathroom. And this is my bedroom, which I'm going to obviously do up. And then we've got my lounge. And I've got some plans. I've got some really exciting plans that I'm excited about. But this is what the place looks like. I think it's really cute. It's just a nice 1-bedroom apartment. And then we've got my kitchen. I've got a washer dryer. No dishwasher because I actually don't need one because it's just gonna be me. And then the most exciting part for me is this little balcony over here. And I just love balconies. I love that you can go out, especially because it's summer now. So I can go chill outside, pop some bottles outside, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, this is the place. New home, new home, new home. I will show you guys when I'm done doing up the place and personalizing it. I'm really excited about that because I'm here alone, so I can do pretty much what I want for the most part, which is exciting. But y'all guys, keep an eye out for the update of when I do the vlog, of when I do the apartment, sorry. And also just want to show you guys, it's also got some storage, which I absolutely need because I have a lot of stuff. And then the second one has got the boiler, but it's also got this rack, which is fab, so I can put my shoes here and they won't take up space in my bedroom. So this is my new home. I'm really excited because it's a new phase of my life, a new chapter, and I'm just so ready for it. But yeah, like I said, just keep your eyes out because I'm definitely going to post when I do up the place and personalize it. And I hope you guys will love it as much as I know I'm going to love it. Love and light.